made a sus noise in my life.
What the fuck? Okay, dude, calm down. This dude, yeah, he needs to be arrested. He's sus as fuck. These are some sus as fuck sounds. How's that the sound of jumping? Dude's femboying it up hard.
Yes, 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 sir, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. When you're trying to sound sus, but you have to be respectful. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh my god.
I'm so close.
Okay, that one. That one. What the fuck? Oh my god, that's like... The bait. The bait. The bait. He's guilty of sus sounds, baiting audience, and being too horny. Need horny bonk. And I pronounce him guilty. What potato masher is that?
You know, he never says hi to me. I would clap my cheek for him if he would at least say hi to me.
What is that? Why is it sloppy? I'm more sussed out about what the hell is this mashed potato?
My cooking stream. Cooksy, hi! That's for you.
I like as you say cooksy, like it sounds like coxy. That okay, I don't want to say that mashed potato looks fucked up, but that mashed potato looks fucked up. 50,000 points for nut damn.
Installing stream with chat, and chat makes you crazy.
Well, if you have a look here.
Jesus, my ears. Pretty girls accept her wives.
That motherfucker.
Well, good luck with the band speedrun. Take care. These are all on streaming platforms. How is it I'm gonna get banned? I don't know what you mean.